Hello, just going through some short division here, just going through the process that's required. So I'm just going to have a look at the first three questions. Good to see that my pen works. Okay, 7 into 6,657. So I've got to see how many times 7 fit into these numbers. First thing I look at is, does 7 fit into 6? It doesn't. 7 is bigger than 6, so that would be a 0 answer. And I always actually put a cross at the start when this happens, because also 7 times whatever number is up here will equal 6,657, and similarly 6,657 divided by the number at the top will equal 7. So they're all sort of related. Like a very simple short division one would be something like 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 times 4 equals 12, 4 times 3 equals 12, 12 divided by 4 equals 3, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. They're all related. So we'll just get rid of those and we'll move on with the question. So if 7 doesn't fit into 6, then we try, does 7 go into 66? And it does, because I know my times tables. I know that 7 times 9 is 63. There's my 9. That means I'll have 3 remainders. Now now I try to do 7 into 35, and that fits exactly 5 times with 0 remainders, which means I don't add anything over here. 7 into 7 fits 1 time with no remainders. All these answers should have no remainders at the end. If we did have a remainder, so for example, if it was 7 into 8, 7 fits into 8 1 time, and there'll be 1 left over. That's what I mean by remainder, 1 left over. And then we would end up putting an R and saying how many are left over. But we have none. So we'll continue. Next question, 4 into 1,836. Does 4 fit into 1? It does not. 4 is bigger than 1, so I put my cross. 4, I can do a better cross than that. 4 now into 18. 4 fits into 18 4 times, because 4 times 4 is 16, and there will be 2 remainders. So now that 2 remainders goes over here to make this number 23. Does 4 fit into 23? It does. 5 times, because 4 times 5 is 20. That means there'll be 3 remainders, so I'll put a 3 over here. 4 into 36. 4 fits into 36 9 times with 0 remainders. So my answer is 459. And then this last one that I'm going to do over here, 2 into 808. 2 fits into 8 4 times. 2 fits into 0 0 times. And 2 fits into 8 4 times. And there's my answer. Hopefully that is easy enough. Actually, I'll do one more just because this one's a little bit trickier. 9 into 5 doesn't fit. 9 into 58 will be 6 remainder 4. Maybe we can do a better 6 than that. It's hard with the mouse. 6 remainder 4. 9 into 41. 4 9s are 36. And then take another 5 to get to 41. And the 5 goes over here. 9 into 54 be 6. Bit of a harder one when you've got bigger numbers. But when you know your times tables, you can solve all of them really, really quickly. But it just takes practice. But this is the basic procedure. If you've got any questions, just please leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for your time.